All right, we are interested in finding the domain of a logarithmic function. So to do this, we need to focus on what's inside the logarithm, because that's where your limitations are for the logarithmic function. You want to look at what's inside, so 5 minus 3x, and keeping in mind that the log of anything that's not positive is going to give us an error. You cannot evaluate the log of a non-positive number. So that includes 0, that includes negative numbers. You'll get an error. It's not part of your domain if it results in taking the log of a non-positive number. With that in mind, let's focus on what's inside. So we have 5 minus 3x, a non-positive, giving us an error, meaning if it is greater than 0, what's inside the logarithm, then we should be in good shape. And that will be part of our domain. So let's solve this. So 5 minus 3x is greater than 0. We can subtract by 5 on both sides of the equation, or inequality. Sorry, switch back. Negative 3x is greater than negative 5. And then we divide by negative 3. Divide by a negative number will result in flipping the inequality. So we end up with x is less than 5/3. And we've just found our domain. Now, typically you express the domain in, well, technically this is the domain, but interval notation is ideal. So let's express that in interval notation over here. So x being less than 5/3, meaning everything below it. So it would go all the way down to negative infinity, and it will go up to 5/3, but not including. It's not including the equal 5/3. It's only less than, strictly less than 5/3. So we'll have a soft bracket. Okay. All right. So that is how you find the domain of a logarithmic function. Not too bad. Just make sure that you focus on what is inside of any logs. In this case, there's just one log, and help that to use that to determine your domain. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help.